Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that rain token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, rain is a decentralized prediction markets protocol enabling permissionless creation and trading of custom markets on any topic, combining AI driven resolution with decentralized governance. Rain reimagine prediction market as a public good, blending decentralized governance, AI, and incentives for open predictions. Open participation can its hybrid resolution model balance speed and trust as a adoption scales. Rain token total supply is 1.14 trillion and circulating supply is 237.59 billion. Rain token is listed on MEXC, BingX, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.